Cooking with Wilber, we are cooking too. Cooking with Wilber, you like cooking too.
Hello, little cooking soldiers, and welcome to Cooking with Wilber. This week, we are going to have a war on hunger.
It's a mission success.
Today, we have a special treat for you cats and kittens. This episode, we're going to make pizza muffins.
Pizza muffins!
Pizza muffins!
Pizza muffins!
Pizza muffins!
Pizza muffins, a delicious food for a delicious people. What is a pizza muffin, you ask? Will I answer? A pizza muffin is like a pizza, but it's a muffin. You should gather the following ingredients. That's what I like to see. Yeah, get excited. Yeah.
Yeah!
Yeah.
Yeah!
Yeah.
Yeah!
Oh, too excited. Next, you will... No, wait. Let Chris do this part. It's hilarious. First, take a pot. Then fill that pot with water. Oh my God, this is comedy. While you were out taking your little nap, we warmed the water to 110 degrees and put the yeast in. Then we let it rise for 10 minutes. By the way, I cannot believe you're doing this. Why did you hurt yourself? And that is why you will die alone. Now go pour that flour into a bowl, 3½ cups of it. And 1 teaspoon of salt. Mix it nice and slow. Now just slide your finger in and make a little hole. Yes. Now grab the yeast and pour it in. Maybe drizzle 1/4 cup of vegetable oil to keep it all lubed up. Now mix it. Slower. Slower. Yeah. Yeah. Now cover the bowl with a damp towel and let it rise for 1 hour. The dough should be all swollen and puffy now. Assistant Chris, please knead that dough before you drop dead and I'm forced to resuscitate you. Now break the dough into even pieces and cram them into the muffin tin. The dough should fill about half the hole. Now take a slice of pepperoni and cram it into the dough for a surprise. Apply a spoonful of sauce to each muffin and sprinkle on some cheese. Now add the toppings of your choice. The world of pizza toppings is open to you like your mother's legs were last night.
My favorite is onions and peppers. Yeah! Did you remember to preheat your oven to 450 degrees? We did! Now stick those muffins in the oven.
How long you put them in the oven depends on a few things. Well, we put it in for about 35 minutes. It's best to use personal experience and look deep within your heart to determine how long to cook them for. We're just going to crossfade.
I think they smell done.
Those pizza muffins smell fantastic. Let's just have a little nibble. Those are really good. These are delicious.
Pizza Muffins!
Pizza Muffins.
I love pizza muffins! Woo!
Cooking with Wilber, we are cooking too. Cooking with Wilber, you like cooking too. Da 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 da.